Welcome to Mom and Me Time. I'm Niharika and I'm super excited to be teaching all the mommies and the kids. So, today I'm going to be teaching you on the title track of the show Honey Bunny Ka Jhol Maar. And then we're going to learn it together. Yes, let's go. Watch it once and keep smiling.
हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है। मिले चले पोपट की चाल है, डॉगी में देखो क्या बुरा हाल है। हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है। खाटो के भैंस ये करते हैं रेस्ट, खाने को मिले इन्हें बेस्ट बेस्ट बेस्ट। पोपट जोरदार का है ये शेर, हनी बनी करे मस्ती भी दे। जैसे भी है इनकी दोस्ती है बाकी, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम इन्हें छू नहीं सकती। हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है।
Alright, so here's how we start the routine. The full routine has to be really high energy. Yeah, let's go. Keep smiling. You're going to stand in second position, your feet wide apart. Your hands are going to be folded and you're going to lean to the left side 4 times. So you go shoulder, 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 shoulder. That goes 4 times to the left side. You do the same thing on the right side. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. Now this is the start of the song, so it has to be really cool. Yeah, let's try that. Parents and the kids. 5, 6, 7 and shoulder. 2, 3, 4. Other side. Ta-ra-ta. Fabulous. From there, we're going to do a step that's called a step together. It's very simple to understand. You're going to step your left leg, step. You're going to get your right leg together. Lift your legs up. Same thing on the other side. Right leg together. Yeah, we're going to do that 4 times. So left side, right side, left side, right side. Yeah, let's try that. 5, 6, 7 and step. Together, step. Together, step. Together, step. Together. Now the hands are going down, up, left hand, down, up, right hand, same thing, 7, 8. So with the legs, it looks like 5, 6, 7 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Got that much? Fabulous. Let's try it from the top till here. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and step. Together, step. Together, step. Together, step. Together. Fabulous. From there, you're going to step your left leg out and you're going to do a big body movement. So watch it carefully. Your hands are here. You step your leg out in second position. Your body is going from the left side, back and forward. Yeah, so your body is taking like a circle and coming center. Yeah, let's try that. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, your body is going forward and yo. Yeah, that's what your upper body is doing. Forward and yo. And other side, forward and yo. Now with that, your opposite leg will come up to make it a little more cooler. Yeah, so you go forward and yo, forward and yo. Yeah, make that super cool. Yeah, parents and the kids. I want to see who is looking the best. Yeah, let's try that one more time. Now, a secret of the step is that this whole step is twice. So I'm going to show you how that looks like. You finish here, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got that? Fabulous. So from there, we have reached the chorus of the song, which is a very important part. So remember this very carefully because it will repeat. Your hands are going right, left, roll, roll, right, left, roll, roll. It's like you're saying stop, stop. Yeah, your legs are doing the same thing. You're going to go step, step, jump, back, back, step, step, jump, back, back. With the hands, it looks like 5, 6, 7, and step, step, roll, roll, step, step, roll, roll. This is on the chorus of the song. From there, the chorus continues. So your right leg is going to stomp twice. At the side, you go stomp, stomp, and you're looking to the opposite side. Yeah, the same leg stomps the other side, stomp, stomp, and you're repeating this twice. So you go again, stomp, stomp, back, back. Yeah, now your hands are going, when your leg is stomping to the side, your hands are going point, point. Yeah, ta, ta, 2 times, twice. From there, your left hand comes on your waist and your right hand fists and goes circle, circle. This is when your leg is crossed. Yeah, so I will show you what the step looks like. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got that much? Let's try it from the chorus till here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? From there, you're going to step your left leg out. Step. It's fine if you're traveling to the left, that's alright. Yeah. From here, you step your left leg out and your hand does a circle and other side. Yeah. So it goes all the way from the left to the other side. Perfect. From there, right hand comes on your waist and your left hand dusts your shoulder. Yeah, this has to have a lot of attitude, parents and kids. Yeah, make sure. So it looks like ta, ta, dust, dust. Yeah, now to make it a little interesting, the dust step has a leg movement. So your right leg is going to go stomp, stomp twice with the hand. That's it. Let's try that again. 5. You finish here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got that? Perfect. Fabulous. Let's try this from the top. Yeah? What say? Are you all up for the challenge? Let's go. Parents, remember, or the kids? I'm watching you all. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you repeat the chorus again. So after you finish ta, ta, you repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your energy up. 5, 6, ta ra ta. One more time. Stop and got that much? From there, there's a really cool wrap part that starts, which I'm going to teach you right now. From here, you're going to step your right leg forward. Yeah, your jazz hands are going to go right, left, right, throw. Yeah, that's it. It has to be super cool. So right, left, right, throw. That's it. Now, once you step your right leg, your body has to bounce with the hands. So it looks like ta, 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 together. You get that right leg in. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, ta. From there, the hands that cross, the same hands go right, left. So it's like a little plus sign that I'm making with my fisted hands. And my right leg just steps out. I go right, left. From there, my favorite step, it has to look super cool. Wipe your sweat, ta, and you throw it. Yeah, so you go boom, ta. Got that much? One more time. So we repeat this twice. We go 1, 2, 3, ta, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 2, 3, ta, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. From there, you continue. Your hands are going left to right, right to left. It makes a circle. Ta, ta. That's all that your hands are doing. Your body just reacts to what your hands are doing. So I go down, up, down, up. Yeah? Let's try that one more time. We finish. Sweat, throw. 5, 6, 7, and left. In, ta, ta. Got that much? From there, your right hand does circle, right up. And you step your right leg forward. So you go circle and you turn around. Yes? One more time. Understand how I am turning around. I have stepped my right leg forward, right? Here, I'm going to turn from the left side. Not this way, this way. So I finish ta. I turn around. Yes? Let's try just the wrap section. Yeah? So which step you finish? Think quickly. Parents, come on, let's see who answers first. You finish the chorus. That's right. You finish the chorus. You finish ta, ta, here, here. One more time. Ta, ta, wrap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. New step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle. Turn around. Yeah? From there, this is the last part. Don't worry. I'm sure you'll remember it. From here, you repeat again. Step, step, back. Back the chorus, back. And ta, ta, circle, ta, ta, circle. Last step for the day, I promise you. Here we finish. From there, you're going to do a step called the hype. Yeah, your right hand is going up, up, twice, down, down, twice. And your right leg goes kick, 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 kick. Kids, I'm sure you know the step. Yeah, so you have to make sure your parents get the step right. Yeah, leg is going kick, 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 kick. 4 times. Hands go up, up, down, down. That's called the hype. Yeah, after you finish down, down, you're going to step the leg. You're going to wave back, wave back to repeat the hype again. Up, up, down, down, wave back, and your final pose. Whatever you want. You want to go woo. You want to go yo. You want to pose. It's up to you. Yeah? Alright, let's try the whole thing from the top till here. Let's see. Full energy, parents and the kids. Yeah, let's go. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wrap part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and hype and down and wave. Wave one more time. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pose. Stop. Let's try that to music. Yeah, the whole thing. Let's see who remembers all the steps together. Let's go. Fold your hands. Get ready.
हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है। मिले चले मोहब्बत की चाल है, डोरी गधे को क्या बुरा हाल है। हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है। बातों के फैसले ये करते हैं रस, आने को मिले इन्हें बस बस बस। ऊपर को नार का है ये शेर, हनी बनी करे बस ये मेरे जैसे भी है इनकी दोस्ती है, बाकी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम इन्हें छोड़े जाते। हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है, हनी बनी का झोल माल है।
Alright guys, that was a lot of fun. I had an amazing time teaching all the mommies and the kids. I hope you guys had fun and were smiling the whole time. We will see you next time for another fun routine.